What's up, my beautiful people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are gonna be talking about large and open pores. Okay, so the thing is that when you have large and open pores on your skin is not going to be looking flawless. Your skin is just going to be looking stunted, like you know, because it's not going to be looking very smooth and fine. You're going to be prone to acne, and also you're going to be having excessive oil on the face. So I have a natural remedy for you that would help you to get rid of all of this large and open pores, shrink those pores, and you are going to have a flawless and glowing skin. Okay, so if you want to know what all of this comprises, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up, hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to share this video. Turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, follow me on Instagram and drop your questions on my website, guys, and let's dive into this video. Now the first ingredients we're going to be needing for this will be banana. Okay, so I have already peeled this banana. Banana contains moisture, potassium, and vitamin E and also C, which in turn promotes clear glowing skin. Banana also helps to leave the skin looking juicy and glowing. It's also helpful for anti-aging process and also for a shiny skin. I'm gonna be cutting it in pieces. Now you have to make sure that your banana is actually very ripe. Okay, so if you want to mash it like the way I'm gonna be doing right now. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm just going to mash this banana, but of course guys, if you want, you can also just blend yours. Anyhow you want to prepare this, you can do it just to reduce the stress, but for me, I'm just going to be mashing it because it's very easy for me to mash. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing that behind the camera, and I'm gonna be right back to show you guys the results and how soft and supple this is just going to look like. Already you can see it's already getting mashed. I'm gonna be right back. Alright guys, so it has actually mashed really well, and the next ingredients we're gonna be needing will be yogurt. Now in this remedy you can use unsweetened yogurt. Okay, it also contains anti-aging property, which helps to leave the skin younger and radiant, and it also helps to tighten up or loose and sagging skin. It dissolves dead skin cells, and it also retains moisture and oil, removing excessive oil on the skin, therefore tightening up the pores. Going to be putting in will be the yogurt. I'm going to be measuring in half tablespoon of yogurt into this. Okay, and the next ingredients we're going to be needing will be rice. Now rice has been used anciently for a beauty regime. It is way better on the skin because it minimizes the appearances of pores and tightens up the skin. It is a naturally toner, and it promotes cells growth. And also half tablespoon of rice powder. Okay, so I've actually told you guys how to prepare rice powder. You can take a raw rice, and then you put that into a blender and blend it so you could get your rice powder. It's as simple as that. And the next ingredient we're going to be needing will be egg white. Now egg white is an almighty remedy in tightening up the skin. Egg white helps to dry out oily skin, and it also contains a good amount of fatty acid, which can lend or can also moisturizes the skin, leaving the skin youthful and radiant. Alright, so now we're going to be needing the egg whites. Alright, so I'm just going to be straining that into, or let me even break it and put it so I can actually just take just the whites. Okay, alright, so now I have just the whites of the egg. Okay, now we're just going to stir this all together. So you have to give it a little time and mix this really well, because mixing egg whites used to be a little difficult, so you have to mix this and mix really well. Okay, alright guys, so now your large and open pores remedy is ready, and what you're going to do is that you're just going to apply this onto your T-zone area. Okay, so you're just going to gently just spread this through your face or your T-zone area. Alright, just like that. Spread it, let it be very much. Okay, but before you do that, I would recommend you just refrigerate this. Okay, so it can be very cooling and very chilling on your face. Okay, so when you're done, you apply it, then you apply it very generously. So basically, when you're done applying this, you have to give it a little scrub. Okay, so you have to scrub it in a circular motion. Now that scrub is just going to help you to unclog your pores, and as it unclogs the pores, there will be a space for the pores to contrast. Okay, so it can be shrink and go back to normal. Okay, so the help of the rice would help you to scrub this, and then your skin is just going to be very clean, because when your pores is unclogged, basically your skin is actually very clean. Okay, so this is how you're just going to do this. Okay, so after you're done doing this way, then you can wash it off with a very cool water. Okay, and a toilet soap. So that's why you should scrub off your skin and remove the clogged pores, so your pores can shrink, and then your face can be very smooth. So you can store this in a refrigerator, and then you have to use it. You can actually use it 4 times in a week. Okay, and then all of your large pores will be gone. So basically guys, those are the very effective and natural remedy to shrink, close up those large and open pores, and these things are way natural, they are way friendly on the skin, and you are gonna be loving the outcome. Alright, so that's it. Go try it out. I'm sure you're gonna be loving it, because it's gonna be 100% effective. And yeah guys, if you did love this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video please, and also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, drop them on my website, and follow me on Instagram guys, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, and stay beautiful.